Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be talking about my current favorite drugstore brand bronzer. It is the L'Oreal Paris True Match Lumi Bronze It.
Dressing out like crazy, just wanna be lazy with my girls.
Alright, first off you guys, I definitely gravitated towards this just because it's a shimmery, sparkly, tiny, reflective bronzer. So just that alone, I am sold and I am buying this. So that's what I did, and I have it in my hands. Ah, love it. All right, let's talk about packaging, you guys. So packaging is the first thing I'm going to talk about, and well, take a look. It's just a nice, large, simple, large. Yes, it's a pretty big package. I'm not really sure how deep it goes. I'm pretty sure it's not really like the entirety of this like height, if you will, but I mean the pan size is pretty huge, so it's a pretty big package and it has a clear window. You can see how much you used up. But with packaging like this, having a clear window, it doesn't really matter because you can just open it up and see if you hit pan or not. It's only with like liquid type of packaging where, to me, not like a deal breaker, but with like liquidy packages, like for example, like this, not being a clear window package, you can't see how much you have, how much you used up type of thing. And yeah, but for this kind of stuff, I feel like the whole clear packaging is kind of thrown out the window. So you guys know me, one of the satisfying things about packaging is hearing that snap. Listen, you hear that? Just that extra, second layer confirmation where it's closed and sealed and it's just I can sleep well at night type of thing. You know what I mean? Nothing crazy, but it's just a nice thing when it comes to packaging, or even like that magnetic closure or anything that kind of, you know, tells me the package is sealed and tight after I've used it is nice. That's just me. That's just me. All right. So, all right. Continuing on with the packaging, it has a nice like rose gold color rim to it. Take a look at it, and it's super pretty, rose gold. Who doesn't love rose gold? All right. So that's what it looks like. So yeah, like I said, it does look pretty elegant. I think the whole like pinky, almost nudish color, neutral rose gold tone combination makes it look really fancy. No, I feel like not fancy, but more so elegant. So drugstore brand that looks very elegant. I like that. Let's talk about how it wore. Not that it really matters, I think. I don't think it matters in this case, but I will tell you guys, I do have dry skin. So let's just, put that on the surface. I have dry skin. Now, I feel like the main reason why this is a huge pan is because it's not just only for your face, but you can use it as an all over body shimmer. Put it on your shoulders, your neck, wherever you want to put it. It's all over your body, right? So it's up to you. So that's probably why it has like a really large pan size. And I know it looks like I didn't dig much into it, but I promise you, watch my videos, you'll see me dip into this over and over and over and over because ever since I got it, I'm like, huh, I need it. I need it, I need it, and I have it. I love it. So I know not everyone is a, glitzy, shimmery type of gal or guy, but I will say the shimmers in this is so microscopic, so teeny tiny, like just beautiful reflective shimmers. It's not like that crazy chunky glitter, which by the way, I have nothing against. If you know me, doesn't matter what size the glitter is, I love glitter. Anything shimmery and glittery, that is right up my alley. But if you're not really a big like glittery fan or shimmery fan, do not fear. I still recommend this because it's just the shimmers, the way it. So I don't really use it on my body. I use it on my face. So I can only talk about how it looks like on my face. And I feel like when I use the shimmer on my face and the sun hits my face in any angle, not just the right angle, but in any angle, you guys, my face looks like it's been beautifully sun-kissed. It's been, what do you call it? It gives that nice radiant look. It looks like you just had a nice, it's just a nice, healthy, glowy skin. That's the word I'm looking for. A nice, healthy, glowy skin. That is what this does for you, all right? It's just one of those, and summer's right around the corner, you guys. So it's just one of those items. It's like a summer essential, summer must-have type of thing because, well, summer's right around the corner. You want to look nice and, you know, that nice, glowy, healthy, I was going to say shimmery, but nice, glowy, healthy look. This, you guys, this is it. I will mention, you guys, so I know some makeup products, once you put it on, it looks nice at the beginning, but then as the day goes on, it fades away. I noticed for me, it didn't fade away at all. It still had that nice, like, you know, bronzy tone, shimmery look throughout the day. So the makeup did have a nice, good, long staying power. Of course, you know, it's not just this I'm weighing. It's not just this I'm wearing by itself. It's also, you know, I'm wearing foundation, concealer, I have the setting spray on, so it's a mixture of other makeup, but, you know, having my other makeup on and using this as my bronzer or whatever you want to call it, it didn't fade away. It did a nice job staying on my face, and, you know, it didn't smear anywhere. Not that powder to really smear like that, but I thought I just mentioned that. So I don't know if you can tell through the camera, but the makeup I'm wearing now, I do have that, you know, Lumi bronzer on, and hopefully you can tell. I mean, I can tell because I can look at the mirror and see myself, and I know that I put it on. But yeah, I do have it on right now, so hopefully you can tell what the bronzer looks like through the camera. So let's talk about, do I recommend this to you guys? All right, well, as a Korean dry skin girl, talking to everyone out there watching my video, first of all, drugstore price, so super affordable. This is, I believe it goes for $14.99 US. Of course, if you are, I guess the price can vary depending on which drugstore you buy it from. I'm not really sure, but that's the price that I have. And yeah, so do I recommend it? Well, honestly, I do. Like I mentioned earlier, whether you like shimmer or not, of course, if you love shimmer and glitz and glam, pick one up. If you haven't tried it already, you are truly missing out. You pick one up, drugstore, affordable, and of course, don't go yet. Don't go now. Wait until the quarantine is over. Wait until social distancing has ended, because, you know, you should be staying home, you know, quarantined, staying safe. So wait until that is all over, and then go to your drugstore and pick one of these up, because you're going to be missing out. And even for those who aren't really a big shimmer girl, shimmer guy fan, I still recommend it, you guys. It's just one of those things where you have to try it out. And I always say in all my videos, even after watching reviews, whether or not you agree with them or disagree with them, whether or not you know, lean towards what they're saying, what they're not saying, whatever, you know, whatever your reason is, I feel like with any product, the best way to really know if it works for you, if you like it, is to try it out, all right? So that's just my own, you know, opinion, but I really do think that's the best way to, you know, test out a product and see if you really like it, if it works for you. So that's pretty much it, you guys. I wanted to come on here and talk about this because I am obsessed and I love this. Don't be surprised if, like, literally every single makeup look I do, I grab this, because, I mean, why use other products if I know this one works, right? I love testing out and trying new products, and I have a bunch of other bronzers, but sometimes I just use the same makeup over and over because it just works for me. You know what I mean? It's like one of those things where you kind of like, you go to the same gas station over and over because in your head that's the best gas station to go to type of thing. Yeah. Alright, you guys, that's pretty much it. If you want me to do more reviews talking about different products or test them out for you guys, giving you maybe even first impressions, updated impressions, whatever it is, let me know down below what products you want me to test out, try out, and talk about. So comment down below. If you haven't already, please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it, and subscribe to my channel. The subscribe button is of course down below, and click on that bell. That way when I do upload, which is quite often, you guys, click on the bell and you won't miss out. So that is it. Follow me on my Instagram, social media stuff, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter. Links for that is all down below. And yeah, that's it. All right, so what else? I hope you guys are at home, staying safe, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day, a wonderful night, wherever you are. I will talk to you next time. Bye, guys.
It's been a day, stressing out like crazy. Just wanna be lazy with my girls. It's been a day, we gonna get wavy. Layer on some diamonds and some pearls.